Hello, this is Sou from California Canoe and Kayak. I am the program director here. Today we're going to spend a few minutes talking a little bit about rod holders and rod holder outfitting for three models of Hobie kayaks here. We have the Passport, the Revolution, and Pro Angler. So each one of these kayaks outfit a little bit differently, so designed differently, so you may have to do some modification yourself. For example, this Pro Angler comes with Hrail, and you can get Hrail mount for rod holders. This particular one, rod holder, comes with a standard Hrail, where you can just purchase rod holder that have Hrail mount and just clip it right in. So Hobie kayaks are considered fishing kayaks, so they already come with two molded in rod holders on the rear. If you want to put anything in front of you, some of them you will need to do it aftermarket. So each model comes with a different style molded in rod holders. For example, the Passport here have a black mounted, but the Revolution here just molded in from the factory. So each model will come a little bit differently, and if you have any question, definitely ask one of our representatives. So here's a couple example of mount system that you can put in a kayak that doesn't already come with track mount. A Yak Attack have a rail mount that you can either put it front here, or you can also get a Scotty deck mount that you can put somewhere that you prefer, on top of the deck or a place that you prefer to reach for your accessories. Here's another example with a track mount that comes with the Passport. All you need to do is get a T-boat mount, and you just put it right in and tighten it down.
Hey guys, this is TLA. Aftermarket rod holders, in my opinion, is a must if you are serious about getting into kayak fishing. Each kayak is prepped differently coming out from the manufacturer, so it's important to go to the store and check it out before making a purchase. So, for a long time, my kayak of choice has been the Hobie Revolution 13. Its sleek design allows me to cut through the water quickly and efficiently, and because of its relative lightweight, it helps me cut through the surf. However, it's an advanced boat that is not as stable as the Outback or the PA series. Also, the kayak itself comes really bare bones without any track mounts like the Passport, the Outback, or the PA series. If you intend on getting a Hobie Revolution, you will have the freedom to customize the kayak to your needs any way you like. I like installing a Scotty flush mount and some track mounts for my camera gear, and all I need are a few stainless steel bolts.
Thank you for your time. Hopefully you learn a little bit about rod holder mounting system. So each model has a different mounting system. So if you have any question, please come to one of our shops and we will be happy to answer your questions.
Visit our store in beautiful Redwood City, where we have everything you need to get started. Our helpful staff will get you situated and answer any questions you may have. If you are in the East Bay, come check out our brand new store in beautiful Brooklyn Basin. From SUPs to PFDs, our shop has everything you need, and our friendly staff will get you situated and in the water in no time.